Hey everyone, welcome back to Black Hill Intelligence. If you're looking to boost your productivity and make your daily life a little easier, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing 10 practical tips that can help transform your everyday routine. From creating a powerful morning routine to simple hacks like meal prepping and decluttering, these tips are designed to help you reclaim your time and increase your efficiency. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and lose track of what really matters. But with a few small changes, you can reduce stress, enhance your focus, and make every day a little more enjoyable. Whether you're juggling work, family, or personal projects, these strategies are here to help you find balance and stay organized. So, grab a notebook or your favorite device, and let's dive into these life-changing tips that can help you take control of your day. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Create a morning routine. A structured morning routine is a powerful way to set the tone for your day. Starting with a small habit like stretching, drinking water, or a quick meditation session can energize you and boost productivity. A good morning routine might include several activities that gradually awaken your body and mind, like a short workout, a healthy breakfast, and a review of your goals for the day. The key to a successful routine is consistency. When your morning is predictable and positive, you create a sense of control and calm, which helps reduce stress and improve focus throughout the day. It also minimizes decision fatigue by building habits, so your morning becomes less about what should I do next, and more about effortlessly transitioning into a productive day. Tip number 2. Make a to-do list the night before. Writing a to-do list before bed is a great way to offload tasks and relieve the mind from constantly remembering them. This practice helps you start the day with clear priorities, as you wake up knowing exactly what you need to focus on. Make a realistic list with high-priority items and allow for some flexibility in case unexpected tasks arise. When listing tasks, try organizing them by priority level: must do, should do, and could do. This system helps you tackle the most critical tasks first. It's also helpful to keep the list somewhere visible, like on your phone or a sticky note by your workspace. This way, you can stay organized, avoid time-wasting decisions, and quickly get into a productive rhythm. Tip number 3. Batch similar tasks. Batching is a time management technique where you group similar tasks together, like handling all emails or running errands in one block of time. This prevents task switching fatigue, where moving between different types of tasks drains mental energy. For example, instead of spreading out your emails, dedicate a specific 30-minute window to handle them all at once. Similarly, try to batch creative tasks, like writing or brainstorming, in one sitting. This approach keeps you in the same mindset longer, making it easier to concentrate and get into a flow. Batching is especially effective for repetitive activities like admin work or scheduling meetings, so you can power through without getting sidetracked. Tip number 4. Limit distractions with Do Not Disturb. Distractions can derail productivity and extend the time it takes to complete tasks. Use your phone's Do Not Disturb mode to block unnecessary interruptions during focus times. This feature allows you to temporarily mute notifications or calls, allowing you to focus on your current work. Set aside specific times to check your phone, email, or messages instead of constantly reacting to notifications. If you're working on a crucial task, try silencing your phone or leaving it in another room. To add extra structure, set a timer for focus work intervals such as 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break to reset and refresh. Tip number 5. Keep a reusable water bottle handy. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining energy, focus, and general well-being, yet it's easy to overlook. Keeping a reusable water bottle nearby serves as a visual reminder to drink water throughout the day. Drinking regularly helps with concentration, reduces headaches, and keeps you physically energized. Choose a bottle that's easy to carry, insulated, and, if possible, one with visible markers to track your intake. If you struggle to remember, set reminders on your phone or download a water tracking app. Make hydration a habit by sipping water regularly, and you'll likely notice a positive difference in your energy levels. Now, before we move on to the next tip, I want to take a moment to remind you, if you're finding these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more people and share valuable information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for making life a little easier. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to keep creating content just for you. Now, let's jump back in with tip number 6. Tip number 6. Use the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule is a simple yet effective strategy to prevent procrastination. If a task can be done in 2 minutes or less, do it immediately rather than letting it pile up. This might include quick actions like sending an email, picking up a few items, or jotting down a quick note. Completing these small tasks immediately keeps them from building up into larger to-do lists, making your day feel less cluttered. This rule also encourages momentum. By finishing one small task, you build confidence and motivation to tackle more. It's a powerful way to stay productive and lighten your mental load. Tip number 7. Meal prep for the week. Meal prepping is an excellent way to save time, reduce stress, and eat healthier. Set aside time on the weekend to prepare meals for the week. You can start by planning a few recipes, shopping for ingredients, and batch cooking meals to store in the fridge or freezer. This practice is especially helpful if you have a busy schedule and often resort to quick, less nutritious options. Consider using airtight containers to keep food fresh and label each container with the day it's meant for. You can even portion out snacks so you have ready-to-eat options when you're hungry. Meal prep saves time, supports better nutrition, and minimizes daily decisions about what to eat. Tip number 8. Practice the 10-minute declutter. Clutter can increase stress and make it difficult to focus. Practicing a 10-minute declutter routine each day helps maintain a tidy environment without requiring large blocks of time. Choose one area to focus on each day, like your desk, a closet shelf, or even your email inbox. Set a timer and spend those 10 minutes organizing, discarding unused items, or finding a dedicated space for frequently used items. This small investment of time can make a big difference in your home or workspace, making it more inviting and easier to keep clean in the long run. Tip number 9. Plan a tech-free hour. Setting aside a tech-free hour each day offers a break from screens, allowing you to reconnect with yourself or others. This hour can be used to relax, read, meditate, or engage in a hobby that you enjoy without the interruption of notifications. Constant exposure to screens can strain the eyes and lead to digital fatigue, impacting both focus and sleep. By taking a break, you give your mind a chance to unwind, helping you feel more refreshed and grounded. You may find that this hour brings clarity, creativity, or a renewed sense of calm to your day. Tip number 10. Review your day. Reflecting on your day's activities and outcomes is a powerful way to end the day positively and learn from your experiences. Take a few minutes to think about what went well, what you enjoyed, and what challenges you faced. You can jot down these reflections in a journal, noting any lessons or improvements for the future. This practice builds self-awareness, helping you identify patterns and habits that either support or hinder your goals. Reflecting can also improve your mood and reduce stress by allowing you to acknowledge and appreciate your achievements, even the small ones. And there you have it, 10 practical tips to enhance your daily life and make each day a little smoother. We hope you found these strategies helpful and that you're inspired to incorporate some of them into your own routine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more people who are looking for tips like these. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest content. We have so much more coming your way, and we'd love for you to be part of our community. We'd love to hear from you too. What tips do you use in your daily life? Share your favorites in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and remember, small changes can lead to big results. See you in the next video.